Show you what I'm cooking for hubby lunch today. This is carrot with white potato, onion, scallion, and thyme in coconut milk and scotch bonnet. So I season the coconut milk and I'm making it cook. And I add a little, what do you call the noodle? The fish noodle. So I had some fish noodle to it. And I'm making that cook. I had a little salt. And I'm gonna put these in shortly. I blend up some garlic, I put the garlic in the blender. As you can see, the garlic, I blend some garlics and I put it in here as well to make it boiled. And here is the fish, some Dr. Fish and snapper. See how juicy they look? So I just clean these up. I'm gonna wash them off now with some vinegar. And what else I'm gonna cook? Okay, so I have the food on the fire, which is banana, sweet potato, and dumpling. And that is what's for lunch. You will see the finishing when I'm done.
Very good, very.
So guys, look overhead and
Take me like. I decided to stop.
let me see the Dr. Fish there.
The doctor I go work for me, you know.
And the doctor, yeah, me go get later.
No. The one where you're gonna eat, you keep that one there. That one there staying on me. You go go eat one. And me if you eat this and get it again. So what is for me? Nothing.
So you're not gonna give me it?
Mm-mm. It's a full weird out on me first.
Okay. So you're gonna make it soak inside?
Weird out.
So you're not give me nothing?
When it weird out.
That's not nice.
You're not gonna eat your doctor. Unless you're not gonna eat none.
Alright, so I'm gonna give you and then you give it back.
So the one picture that we take now represent for you, everything.
No, because this is my plate. So may I show my plate? And may I show your plate? You have whole wheat dumpling. We have white dumpling with cornmeal. I have to make 2 dumplings. And it's there bad?
You can't do it yourself.
Why not? I want to make it.
Stay really bad.
So, and I say I like it.
Yeah. But not gonna be there.
Why not? All of a sudden now you tell me that. You need to tell me something for go as me. Go as me like, go as me heart.
Be yourself.
Yeah, you just tell me to be myself and now you actually your mouth. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. I get down in my doctor fish, you know.
Doctor swim around.
Doctor fish. Get down in my doctor fish.
When nobody say they know, say they agree there.
I'm not like with fish, bone. That's the only thing I like.
Really people say that.
I like bone.
Because they don't want to stop to cut the bone.
Yes. I can't bother. I'm gonna make the tea. Dumpling in the gravy.
I want some sweet yam with this now.
Really?
Nice sweet yam. And the yam there.
I know sweet yam, I think like sweet yam really nice more with curry chicken back.
Yeah.
Not steamed fish.
Nice with steamed fish too.
Banana nice with steamed fish.
Yeah.
I like dumpling.
You know about the white part.
Me not take it out. So
No, we can't stop it right this. No, we get a belch there. We're not supposed to go no more food.
but after you not eat none yet.
I try them meat, you know. Like that just already, you know.
Try fish.
Seafood. Swim around.
Wow. This tastes so good.
It must taste good. I mean, cook it.
Really.
Maybe that still tastes good if you cook it still.
But stop that, because I know you cook it, it's me cook it. So just stop it.
That's why I exaggerate so it tastes good.
But you know say it tastes good. Normally, you cook the steamed fish. Because I think you cook a better steamed fish than me. Not saying I don't cook it good.
But once I follow my footsteps, you cook it good still. Once I do a meal though, you can't run.
I cook steamed fish for me earlier.
No matter how long. No matter how long, how you do it.
Alright, so we never used to cook it with coconut milk. Why I just want to eat the dumpling? We never used to cook steamed fish with coconut milk. But I learned that from you. Cook it with the coconut milk. Boil the coconut milk first. And season it up. Make the season cook. Then add the fish. Then add the okra. Because the okra easy for cook. Okra can actually eat raw. So if you're gonna put white potato in there, you cook the potato first. So the fish is very easy for cook.
What you do?
I tell them.
I give it your rare.
Recipe?
No, your tactics.
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm not even your tactics. You ask me permission.
But I stay fish long time. I used to do all of this except the coconut milk. Let me season up my water first. This is how I used to cook it.
But originally, steamed fish not cooked with water. Like,
I cook up the seasoning first, so that the seasoning the pot well seasoned before me add the fish, cause you know, make the water go through the fish and all that seasoning soaking on the fish. So I boil up the seasoning. and make it cook. That's how I normally do it. But you show me a different way now with the coconut milk. So
You call my fish at all. Coconut milk.
guys, me just get up, right? I didn't even take off from sleep now. My husband said my ear not stay good.
Me? Or you say the statement?
Alright, me say it first and then he confirm.
So no one you do not you turn on the camera.
They are like, my girlfriend tell me said she don't like my ear. I sit down and twist it up.
If you don't like it.
Yeah, she said she don't like it. Look like me I suffer.
Is that right? She kinda like it. You know, please she.
She said me look like me I suffer. Me look like me I suffer?
Look sorry this evening.
Put in the description and tell me if me look like me I suffer. Don't lie. Be honest.
Look sorry this evening. Can't look like I suffer, you're not suffer.
And this video not have no filter. No filter not on it. Just the natural video. I don't know how to add the filter. Everywhere I'm not like the bone. You get them in your food and you if you take out bone out of mouth.
Look how my fish bone look. Look. Look on this.
Your meat not the panic.
You see you don't eat well of the meat left back in the garbage, in the bone dish. The bone them when she dash wet, just ready to start clean off. Only for meat left back on it.
Come I can't bother to detail it like that.
I wish the seafood. But you eat chicken.
Stop that.
Alright, I bet you eat oxtail.
No, I'm not oxtail.
Like curry.
No. No, the curry go to cook and don't even take a little piece. I don't like meat like that again, you know. One time I used to, not anymore.
You know, those of food nice meal about a long time.
As always.
I eat full of food already.
Because I me cook.
Food nice. Regardless of how we cook it.
Regardless of who cook it?
No.
Oh, you better take back that. You know much time you see you buy food and I don't want it. Or you not enjoy it.
In-house me at all.
Oh.
I buy food that wrote with purpose.
Never. You buy food enough time and you don't enjoy it. But when you say regardless of who cook it, you have to say take it back.
You have to take it back where I do.
Slap you. Just slap you with something.
Warm to your hand then.
Warm to them?
If why not use them slap me? Why you ever take something slap me? But they heights and abuse.
I don't want my hand them hurt me afterward. So, if I use something else. Alright, let me try eat the bone the way you eat it. My favorite part on the fish is the head.
And you eat the eye?
I suck out the eye.
You say if you eat fish head and eat the eye, you're not afraid of nobody's face. You know? Nobody can come
What does that
stroke
mean?
them face by you, you're afraid of them.
Really?
Because you eat
But
fish
now I
head.
eat the eye. Sometimes we suck it out, but
That's why you're afraid of people face. So you don't
I'm
eat
not
fish
afraid
head.
of people fears. Not no go so.
You're not afraid of people face.
No.
That means you eat fish head and eat the eye.
I'm not afraid of the eye.
Because you see if you're afraid of face, when you see the face of the fish, you wouldn't eat it, you just put it one side. Real talk. Depends on how you look at it on the face. How you look on it. If you feel right now, I just put it one side, so I'm gonna eat that look. The face that. I'm not afraid of face.
You know what I'm saying? I love agate more than I love pork.
I love pork.
No. The meat part. I love the ears. I love the nose. I love them part of the
Weird. You love your head.
Yes.
So you ever eat that guy?
No. Never eat the eye. But I love the head and I love the nose. That's all. Enough fatty. It look fatty but it leany. And it have a different kind of lean to it. Not fat. I love this so bad. My ears are my favorite part of the hog. Growing up when I picnic, oh God. When they kill hog, I care about the meat part.
I used to cook enough agate when I use.
Love agate, man. Go buy corn agate. What? That nice. Cook it up. And you have a little salt hanging in it there.
Number one.
And you know another dumpling. Them small. You know, I'm gonna make dumplings a little bit.
Remember one day, father cook agate and bean and food, dumpling and banana. Nice, you know, man. Eat my dinner and go on the road, you know. I look at my father that I see come on the road too. Me and my sister there road. I look at my father that I see come on the road too. A weekend, because on the weekend we are allowed to go on the road. I look to see my father come on the road. So when I see my father come on the road now, I know say, I'm not the home now. So me just walk it back a yard. And we open up the pot, you know, man. The man put everything in one now, the food I left back, you just put it in the agate in the meat, you know. With that juice there, you know. So when we start, couldn't stop. We couldn't stop.
You eat that food?
I almost eat it off. I wouldn't remember the beat when I go get. We stop.
Oh my God.
I remember the stiff lick them when I go get. Out of the swash card.
You really did a belly eyes, man.
We stop. So, stop and we'll go back on the road now, you know. Yeah, road. Come in off the road now. My father burning weed now. And then they used to smoke weed. Burning weed now and coming back now in the night.
Wanting food.
Yeah? Jar for the pot. And I said, we wouldn't get some, you know, if we wanted it, you know, but I tell you, I deal with it wicked. No here, but stop. From here, but stop. We just make sure we look for the small card. Because I don't want to get beaten with the big card. I want to make sure I say the small card there. Because if you can't find the small one, I'm going to beat with the big one. And the big one, I feel the bigger pit in them. Get beaten.
You had beaten free food?
Yeah, so me talk all that food now.
That's weird.
Trap that. Never do the China again. I couldn't help myself that Saturday night. I eat early, you know. Eat dinner.
Hungry, I bust your shot.
Beer and go on the road. I'm going to really bust my shots, you know. The food was sweet, you know. I'm saying, cook, you know, man. And they just turn around and make fashion and the thing just sell out. Yeah, when I remember and just think about the foods and think about the food. Yeah, I get there. And you see, normally in the come on road, we do it, you know, when I saw him come on road, you know, but we see him the night when he come up, you know, touch the road and gone up the road. And I say, alright, I walk down the road around with our friend them.
How old it was that time?
We never reached my teen yet.
Oh.
We were about 10, 11.
Okay. Them years your boy pinning them nothing, no man. Them years you go up in them early, them teens. Bone go down my throat one time, you know, and stop it, so, you know. A dumpling, you know, one big piece of dumpling, me have to swallow, you know.
Move it.
I move it, you know. Me just swallow the dumpling and I push it down. Wherever I come, I don't know.
Bone turn crossway and stuff.
I drop all in my teeth. No, like fish bone, man.
Yeah, that's it. Nobody eat no more fish again. Let's give me, tell fish cook, let's give me your share.
You're right.
Because one eat each other in your teeth and everything. Yeah?
Alright, I eat no more.
Yeah, eat fish have patience.
I know from me put my egg down on the plate, I eat that. Anyway, guys, catch you all. This video is going way too long. Adios. See you later. I notice I don't watch the video now, but I do not like the video. Give me a like. If you don't like the video, give me a like. Okay?
And share it with a new friend.
And
tell a friend if you share it with film friend. And turn on the button.
like a 4x4 relay. Or 4x1 relay. Carry the man.
When we don't need to show no plate and tell me which one I plate look cleaner.
No, I'm not sure it because I don't eat now. I don't eat the potato, I don't eat the banana. Belly full. I want banana I take. I'm not even eat it.
No, come out of my plate now.